First, I start by including the standard input-output library with hashtag include less than stdio, h greater than so we can use printf and scam. Inside main, I declare three variables, min and max for the starting and ending numbers, and width for spacing the output neatly. Next, I ask the user to enter the minimum number, and then the maximum number. These values will decide which multiplication tables will be printed. After that, I use two loops. The outer loop goes from the minimum number to the maximum number, each number representing a multiplication table. Inside, the inner loop runs from 1 to 10 to multiply the current number. For printing, I use printf with %d. This special format makes sure the numbers are right aligned using the width we calculated. Now, I need to figure out how much space to give for each number so the table looks neat. I copy the max value into a temporary variable, and then divide it by 10 until it becomes 0, counting the digits. This tells me the width of the largest number in the table. I add 2 to that width for extra spacing. When you run the program, it will print all the tables between your given min and max values, perfectly aligned in columns. And that's it. A simple program, but it teaches you about loops, formatting, and user input in C. Now this program is running perfectly and providing the correct outputs. Each column is one table. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, and comment for more videos.